Installing a Luminar 3000 log set. Please read the instruction manual that came with your heater. Start off with log number 3. Only one log is needed at the back. Line up the 2 pins and the log should be easily pushed down. It's important to make sure that you are close to the burner, but not over the holes of the burner. Now, the middle row left, log 2-1. Place carefully on the pin. Now the right side, log 2-2. And now the pilot log, 1-1. Ensure that the pilot is clear when you install the log. And finally, the right side log. There are 3 cross logs on a Luminar 3000. The left is held in place by this small divot. The middle cross log between the 2 tall peaks, and the third log on the right side here. And now a completed Luminar 3000 log set.